This is called A. We said already it is the combination of two vowels, right? This is called Kantha Thaluja because we use two. A from A. A is the combination of A and E. Is born here, so that is Kanthaja. And E is born in the cerebral area, so it is called Thaluja, right? You see here? Oh, palatal. So E, palatal. So Kantha Thaluja, guttural and palatal. They are put together. I or E. When you say A and E put together A, that is called Kantha Thaluja. Kantha Thaluja. This one and this one together. A and E together A. And O, guttural, that is Kanthaja, and labial, that is lips. O. When you say O, you see use of A and U. A and U, right? So that is called Kantha Otthaja or Kantotthaja. That is called a guttural labial. We can say guttural and labial. And this one, W. I said already. W. W. We have only one sound for W. Okay, we use only V. In Pali we don't use W. Okay, no W. This one V. That is most aspirated here, like W, W, right? Danta, dental and labial, lips and teeth. W, W. Yeah, I know when you pronounce individually, it's like that, but you can just pronounce like Vasati, you know, Vasana, Vihara. We just, but if you know that rule, that can be helpful in certain minor adjustments in your pronunciation. Okay. Dantotthaja. They are called Dantotthaja. Danta and Otthaja. And then Ang. This one purely nasal. Ang. Buddhang. Dhammang. Sanghang. Right? All the time when we say at the end, ang, that becomes nasika. Nasa is nose, right? Yeah. In English, Pali, same. Nasa, nose. Nasika. So nasal. Yeah, nasal sounds. Okay? So these are the words, the whole thing that we learned. Kanthaja, guttural. A, ka, k, ga, g, ng, h. Yeah. And then Thaluja or palatal, E, cha, ch, ja, j, ny. And we have to add one more, y. Okay? E, cha, ch, ja, j, ny, and y. Yes. Yeah. I forgot to type it here. I'll put it there later. Muddhaja or cerebral. Ta, t, da, d, n, r, l. Okay. R and L. Saranang. When we say Saranang, R. Yeah. R. R and N. It's not like R, just R. Okay? R. Yeah. And L. L. And Dantaja or dental. Ta. Th. Da. Dh, n, l, s. Yeah. Only one s in the whole Pali alphabet. and otthaja labial. U, u, pa, p, ba, b, m, right? U, pa, p, ba, b, m. Okay, now the combination. Sangyojana. Kantha taluja. Gataro palatal. A. Kantotthaja. Gataro labial. O. Dantotthaja. Dental labial. V. And nasika. Ang. Okay, and this is the rule on Vaggakkara or group letters that we need to learn. This will also be very useful for you. Sometimes when you read some Pali suttas, you will see if you know this rule, this will be very useful to you. Okay, for example, certain words like sankappa or sangha. Okay, here what happened, you see ang sound, ang in the middle of the word, sankappa or sangha, ang sound is there, right? So that sound, when you have in the middle of the word, and you have to use this rule. Ka, kha, ga, gha, ng. These 5 letters, if you have any of these 5 letters before the, followed by the ang sound, then that ang sound becomes the ending letter. Okay? You see that normally ang is this one, right? If it is at the end, you have M and dot. But if you have it in the middle, you have to know this one. So if you have it in the middle, you see the k sound here, and because of that, it becomes, this is called 𝐾𝐥𝐻. These 5 letters are called 𝐾𝐥𝐻. 𝐾, K is the beginning letter, and Vagga means the group. Vagga means the group. So 𝐾𝐥𝐻 is the K group. So if any of the K group follows the ang sound, then the ending letter of the 𝐾𝐥𝐻 will be used for ang sound. That is why we have here sankappa. And here sangha. You see gha? Because of gha, and we have this one. Here you see vanchaka. Same rule. Vanchaka. So chavagga. Cha. Cha, cha, ja, jha, nya. That is called chavagga because it starts with cha. Cha, vagga, chavagga. And here, if you have that ang sound in the middle, we have to think of the why it is like nya? It is not nya, but it is ang sound because of the cha. Cha is chavagga, right? And here vanchaka, cheating. Yeah, vanchaka means cheating. Sanya. So ending. But again we have to use the same rule. Here nya is the end. And again you use the nya sound, sanya, perception, nya sound. Is it clear? Is it clear to you? Yeah? Vanchaka and sanya. And here see, kanthaja. Again ang sound, right? And here because of the ta sound, we use the ending of the tavagga. Tavagga, ta, tha, da, dha, na. We use this letter because of the ta sound. Ta, kanthaja, guttural. And manduka. Manduka is frog. Yeah, manduka is frog. There is a story about Manduka, a frog who was listening to the Buddha's Dhamma and somebody pressed the walking stick on the Manduka and he died, but as he was listening to the Dhamma, he became a Deva. So Manduka Deva. So Manduka means frog. And here the sound again, tavagga, right? So it becomes N. So dot underneath. And same thing here, Dantaja. Dantaja. So you see Tawagga. Ta, tha, da, da, na. We use this one. Dantaja. And here, Vandati. Oh, Vandana. You see? Vandami. Right? So we have N here. Because of the this one. Yeah. Dantaja dental. Vandati is salute.